Barcelona is a true wonder. A place known for iconic gaudy architecture, beautiful coastlines, and vibrant food. It's also a place where history and art seamlessly blend with Mediterranean energy, and Hotel Casa Fuster is a great example of that. Built in 1908 by a wealthy Catalan gentleman named Mariano Fuster for his wife, the hotel was the most expensive residence in the city back then. Today it stands as a world-class hotel, a symbol of love, luxury, and architectural beauty. Hotel Casa Fuster is one of Barcelona's most beloved icons. It was designed by architect Lluís Domènech in Montaner, who was the pioneer of Catalan Modernism. When you see the building curves, you will realize that Casa Fuster is a masterpiece. Domènech was obsessed with nature and designed the massive ground floor columns to look like the trunks of giant, ancient trees holding up a palace. You can feel that vibe when you step into Café Vienés at the hotel. This exact room was a legendary meeting place for artists, intellectuals, and members of high society. Let's now talk about what it's like to stay in this magnificent property. When it was restored into a luxury hotel, the historic soul of the place was preserved, but injected with a 21st century comfort. The rooms are expansive, featuring rich woods, muted gold tones, and massive windows that frame the vibrant streets of Barcelona. Because of the building's unique neo-Gothic and modernist layout, almost every room has a slightly different shape and view. But the crown jewel of the hotel is Restaurant Mirador Blau, or the Blue View Terrace. From up there, you get an uninterrupted, bird's-eye view of the entire length of Passeig de Gràcia. It's a perfect place to wind down with a glass of local Spanish cava as the sun sets over the city. Another amazing aspect of this hotel is its location. Casa Fuster sits at the absolute focal point of Barcelona's culture. It is located at the very top of Passeig de Gràcia, the city's most elegant, upscale avenue. Just a short 5-minute stroll down the boulevard will bring you face-to-face with visionary designer Antoni Gaudi's legendary masterpiece Casa Milà, which is also called La Pedrera. It's known for its surreal, undulating stone facade. Just a few blocks further is Casa Batlló, which is famous for its colorful, bone-like architecture. In Barcelona, you are quite literally surrounded by UNESCO World Heritage Sites. If you walk out of the hotel and head in the opposite direction, you immediately enter the Gràcia neighborhood. This area feels like a traditional bohemian Catalan village hidden inside a major city. It's packed with lively plazas, independent boutiques, and authentic tapas bars where locals hang out away from the heavy tourist crowds. Whether you are a history buff, an architecture lover, or someone who appreciates the finer details of luxury travel, Casa Fuster is a property that demands to be experienced. Would you add this million-dollar gift to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, check out our affiliate links in the description to plan your next stay, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Safe travels!